All right, let's teach everybody how to make this,
so
because it's such a healthy and delicious recipe.
So who doesn't love a taco, right? Okay.
I never met a taco.
Yeah. Okay, so
taco is one of my favorite four-letter words.
Yes, and it's easy.
Taco and love.
Yes, they're easy to make, easy to have leftover. So these are my loaded ground turkey tacos, and what makes these so different and special is that I sneak in vegetables because I have children, and sometimes you need to sneak in for adults too.
Oh,
see, okay.
Yeah.
So we have some ground turkey.
Look at your beautiful family.
Oh, my honey babies. That little girl right there, Sydney.
Oh.
Woo. Okay.
So were these tomatillos or what?
No, these are actually zucchini and cauliflower. So why I call these loaded ground turkey tacos is because I take the ground turkey and the onions. Pretty easy. I like using full-fat turkey, right, for that flavor.
Right.
And then we have taken zucchini and cauliflower, put it in the food processor.
And so it just looks like the ground turkey.
Exactly.
But it's vegetables.
Yes, exactly. So, and in the order in which you do things, exactly. So you want to cook up your ground turkey, then you want to add now the spices is what really makes this amazing.
I'm gonna crank up the heat now that you got the
Yeah, that's fine. Now what I like to do is instead of buying a taco mix like a lot of people do, I make my own blend.
Because they're all salt.
Yes,
a lot of salt and not a lot of flavor.
Mm-hmm.
You make your own blend.
And additives. So what I do is I don't add salt to this because then you can use as much flavor as you want.
Exactly.
So I'm gonna use a little onion powder, I'm gonna use a little garlic powder, a little turmeric.
Turmeric is one of the superfoods of the year.
Yes.
And Hawaii in America has become the largest producer of it too.
And it adds beautiful color. So I have some cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper.
But don't use too much if you're working with, kids.
I love this mix.
Cumin,
I love it.
Thank you. Paprika. I like to use a lot of paprika for the flavor and the
color too.
The color, especially with turkey tacos. And then chili powder.
Yum.
And I'm gonna mix all this up. And I'm gonna go ahead and add it.
You should just learn to taste and trust your own palate.
Exactly, because everyone likes something different. So we go ahead and add that in. And once again, like I said, I didn't add salt to that, so you can add as much of the flavor as you want. And
a little black pepper, okay?
Yeah, go ahead and put that in.
A little black pepper too?
Yep. Super simple, right? It's so good, isn't it?